Welcome to my channel Learn It Well. My name is Priyanka Nair and I'm here with the last episode of Season 1, Learn the Essentials of Data Science, Episode 5, Visualization in Data Science. Visuals are the most powerful sense when understanding a concept in comparison to other senses like ear, nose, hand, and verbal, both consciously and subconsciously. For large data set, we need to understand a vast amount of data. The human visual system is the highest bandwidth channel to the human brain. Data visualization is the pictorial representation of information and data using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps. Data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand the trends, outliers, and patterns in data. In this era of big data, visualization is increasingly becoming the key tool to make sense of the trillions of rows of data being generated. Visualization can be viewed in analogy to storytelling, wherein every data has a story to tell, and visualization hits the right chord for communicating the most appropriate results. Data visualization in data science can be employed in three ways. The first one is the information visualization, which refers to an abstract information. Scientific visualization that determines the physical position in space. And visual analytics is the highly interactive analytics employing sophisticated statistical model. There are 10 to 12 popular visual elements used with the data visualization in order to comprehend the information in the best possible manner. Histograms, bar chart, pie chart, scatter plots, 3D plots, maps, geomaps, relationship maps, heat maps, word cloud, line graph, time series, and few more. To actuate the visual elements, the data scientist ought to know the very popular visualization tools discussed in the upcoming sections. Tableau. Tableau is the most popular from the kit of data visualization that is free with many versions and has rich drag and drop features. It has support for various formats of data and has capability of data exploration and interactive visualization. Power BI is a Microsoft product used with application of data science and business intelligence. Data from several sources can be worked upon by converting into coherent, visually rich and interactive insights. Efficient connect to the data source is established and important data can be discovered in terms of its use and importance. The next tool is Click, which is framed in two ways with this section, ClickView and ClickSense. ClickView is a powerful business intelligence popular for its visual drill down and ease of configuration and deployment. ClickSense is another variant from the family of Click known for its user interactive features of drag and drop. SAS Visual Analytics, along with data visualization, is used for predictive modeling and forecasting with drag and drop features. D3.js, it is a powerful library for storytelling with customization. Visualization in R language is essentially rich with ggplot library as an unprecedented for the statistical data visualization, and it is the go-to tool for data visualization. bbplot provides function for creating and exporting the visualization made in ggplot in the style used by the BBC data theme. ggAnimate are used to create interactive plots. Visualization in Python. Python has two exclusive libraries for visualization, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Matplotlib gives an extensive support for 2D graphics but has limitation with the 3D. It publishes quality figures in interactive environment across platforms and can also be employed for animations. Seaborn. This Python library is used for creating statistical graphics that are informative, attractive, and understandable. The library offers several inbuilt features, including the built-in themes, colors, and tools to visualize, univariate, bivariate, etc., thereby aiding to the complex visualization. Here we come to the end of the episode 5, the last episode from the season 1, Learn the Essentials of Data Science. The glimpses of the 5 episodes are given on the slides. Thank you for keeping up with my channel, Priyanka's Learn It Well. Thank you so much for all the support being extended. If you like my content, do not forget to like and share. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon for all the notifications from Priyanka's Learn It Well. We'll be back with the advanced season next week for data science. Thank you and keep smiling until next time.